Alright, superstars. Welcome, bright minds tuning in. What's this segment choose? Our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 23 divided by 23 over 33, then times 33. First we do this multiplication. 23 over 33 times 33. We can easily cancel this 33 and this 33. So here we have this 23 only, and 23 divided by 23 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 23 divided by 23 over 33. To do this division, write down the 23, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 33 over 23. And here again we have times 33. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 23 and this 23, which gives 33. And here again we have times 33. So here we have this 33 times 33, which equals 1089. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Smash that like and subscribe to join the ride.